Hey, yes. Okay, so later you watch the stocks and you help me to monitor this thing. Because Monday I'm going to do a big Q in the stock. The market just crashed and I think there's a lot of things you can get money. Hey, sorry, are you shooting?
Yes, I am.
Oh, there's a cameraman shooting me. You sure I'm shooting?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to talk to you and you just watch for me those stocks that I just told you. Okay. So, okay guys, since the cameraman is shooting, so I'm going to share with you something. So, as you know, the market has been rising big time and a lot of people are worried about where the market is heading towards. It could be a big rise in the Dow Jones, it could be a big rise in Apple stocks like Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Visa, all stocks are rising. So now the question is, when is the market going to take a simmer and when can we find our own entry point again? So today I thought it'd be good if I can share with you some things that I use to trade every day, some signals that I use to trade every day, and some of the strategies that I use to time my market in entry. So I think it'd be good if I can share with you guys who subscribe to my channel on YouTube and Instagram a cheat sheet on USA stocks. All right. So most of you know me when it comes to trading Singapore stocks. But I'll tell you something, guys. The big money is always in the US stocks because the US stocks you run much more faster and more volatile than the Singapore stocks. But why? Then some people may ask me, why do you still trade Singapore stocks? Because Singapore stocks still, I can go big, I can trade bigger, and there's a lot of penny stocks that's moving that I can make fast scalps and short-term trading, which I really enjoy, and I know everything about Singapore stocks, which made me so proficient in trading a good Singapore stocks. So, but today I'm not going to talk about Singapore stocks. I'm just going to share about some US stocks. All right. So since you're going to record and since I can share with you guys something, I just want to share some cheat sheet for US stocks. So number one, watch this. Number one, can you see the cheat sheet for US stocks? So number one, what you're going to do is you watch for trending stocks. Okay, watch for trending stocks. Why is this so important? Okay, guys, when stocks are trending, I think it's very important to watch it very closely. Why? Because if you're buying some stocks that's not trending, that means there's no players inside, there's no buyers, there's no sellers, and the stock is pretty stagnant. And that's what you want to avoid. Because if you ever buy stocks that's pretty stagnant, your funds will be jammed, your money will be stuck. And if you see some stocks like Apple and Tesla that are moving big time and your stocks is not performing, there's a tendency to get impatient, right? So trending stocks are very important to watch out for. All right, there's three things that I want to share. So number two, you watch for what? Volume spikes. All right, you watch for volume spikes. Why volume spikes? Because volume tells you that big players are coming. And when big players are coming, you're not looking to buy. Okay? If the stock is at the top, when there's a big volume spike, what you're looking for is to sell stocks. You are looking to take profits. But if the big volume comes in near the bottom, it tells you that the big players are ready to move stocks. And that's where you want to not buy, wait for the selling to abate first. And then you slowly start to add positions or when you slowly start to buy again. So the volume spikes are very important in trading US stocks. Alright? So the third one, I just want to share with you guys is trade with care. Trade with care. Trade with care. Why? Why trade with care? Because I got many traders. When they learn from me, what they do is wow, Ron is so easy, and they start to trade without any game plan or without any plan. The next thing I know is the stock go against their way and they started to lose money. So I think when you trade US stocks, especially when it's very volatile, especially when you move very fast, the key thing is to make sure you do your homework, do some preparation, have a game plan, and then trade with the kind of mindfulness that you know when you go in, you're taking low risk, calculated risk, and your risk and reward ratio is high, right? So I'm going to tell you guys, there is number 4. All right, there's number 4, and then there's number 5. Okay, so there's number 4. I put XXX, and then there's number 5, triple X, and then there's number 6, triple X. So the next 3 things, I tell you guys, the next 3 things that I wrote down here, the triple X, is the crucial part. Why? Because it's the part for you to take action, where to enter, where to exit, where to take profits, right? So if you're interested to know how to get the next 3 steps, if I see more than another 20, 40 subscribers to my YouTube channel, I'm going to give you these 3-4 steps for free. So, and if you share this video with your friends or people that you know, or you share in Facebook, and I see my subscribers piling, and you let me know, I'm going to share my next 3 steps for you for free. So with this, look at this beautiful surrounding here. I'm going to end this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned something about this, and I'll end this video here, and thank you so much. Alright guys, so I'm going to pick up a call again, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye.